Njera-inĩ nene ya Ruiru, magana ma maabitha a njera gĩkĩro gĩa cadet nĩ mahumbĩtwo thũmbĩ igongona-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩgũtongoragio nĩ mũnini wa President Kithure Kindiki, ũrĩa ũrĩtie maabitha aya kwaga kwenderera mwahũ kana mũtongoria o wothe wa kĩũteti.
As officers of a disciplined service, your authority must never become an instrument of partisan politics. This responsibility becomes even more important as our country approaches the next general election. Your loyalty does not belong to any candidate, party, or political interest. Your loyalty belongs to the Constitution, the Republic, and the people of Kenya. Political competition must never become a contest against peace. Our security institutions must protect the constitutional space within which Kenyans exercise their democratic rights while remaining firmly above partisan politics.
Minister wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ wa bũrũri Kipchumba Murkomen akiuga he bata rũhonge rwa njera rũgakorwo na mũhari thĩinĩ wa kĩoneki gĩa thutha wa mwaka wa 2030.
We want the prisons department to be part of the conversation of the vision beyond 2030 so that we modernize our programs, we improve our equipment, we make sure that this service is properly contributing to the development of our country.
Allow me to appreciate the government's commitment to advancing prison reforms through improved working conditions, enhanced remuneration packages, improved housing, strengthening of our workforce through recruitment and modernizing prison farms and industries.
Kindiki akiuga thutha wa mwaka wa 2023 he bata Kenya ikorwo na honge ciĩrũgamĩtie na cia kwĩhokeka harĩ gũtungatĩra mũingĩ.
Vision 2030 is approaching its horizon, and Kenya must now confront a larger question, which is what kind of country will be built beyond 2030, and what kind of nation will we hand over to the next generation? Whatever answer we give, the Kenya of the future will require institutions that are professional, technologically capable, incorruptible, humane, trusted by the public. It will require institutions strong enough to protect the republic.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV Ruiru na ni njĩtagwo Moses Ngigĩ.